I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling 150g raspberries, 250 ml milk, 2 scoops vanilla ice cream, and 1 tablespoon sugar. This balance gives flavor and body. Put chilled raspberries and 50 ml milk into the blender first to break down seeds and create a smooth fruit puree. Pulse briefly so you don't overwork the fruit. Doing this step first prevents icy clumps. Once done, scrape down the sides so everything is homogeneous before adding the heavier ingredients next. Now add 200 ml milk, the 2 scoops of ice cream, and 1 tablespoon sugar, because dairy and sugar create the creamy mouthfeel and balance raspberry tartness. Blend on medium-high for about 30 to 45 seconds. Pause and scrape the pitcher once so pockets of fruit aren't missed. If the shake is too thick, gradually add 25 to 50 ml milk and remix. If too thin, add a small extra scoop of ice cream. Make sure to taste and tweak so the flavor is bright and balanced. Pour your milkshake into a chilled glass and garnish with a mint leaf or a whole raspberry for contrast. Serving cold preserves texture and flavor. If the shake seems watery, add 1 scoop of ice cream and blend briefly to restore creaminess. If it is grainy from seeds, blend longer or strain through a fine sieve for a smoother result. Make sure to serve immediately since refrigeration for more than a few hours will thin the emulsion and dull the fresh raspberry brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.